So now let's see Trello archiving options. So in Trello, when it comes to archiving, you can archive individual cards, lists, or even the entire board. So let's see how to do that. So let's start with an individual card. So now over here, you can see that, let's say for example, I want to archive scene 9. What I can do is I can go on to the cards edit menu and then click on archive. So that is it. That is how you archive a card. You can also go over here, click on this, and over here there's archive as an option. So once you click on it, archive happens. So archive happens instantly, and if you want to delete the card, however, you have to click on delete and it asks you whether you really want to delete the card or not. Then you have to click delete again to delete that out. In my case, I don't want to delete this. I want to get back the cards which I archived. So let's see how we can do that. So both of the cards have disappeared from the list right here. So I'm going to go on to the show menu option, and then I'm going to go to more, and then I'm going to go to archived items, and here I can search for the archived items right here. So I'm just going to click on send to board. I'm not going to delete this. Click on send to board and it's back to board, as you can see, and then I can click on here and it gets back just like that. Similarly, I can archive entire lists. And to do that, I have to go over here onto the three dot menu and then archive this out. So archive this list and it goes to archive. Let's just do the same for this. Archive all cards in list or archive this list. So archive this list archives all the list itself, but archive all cards in list, this archives the card and the list still remains there. So now let's get back those lists and cards again. So I'm going to go to show menu, and over here in the archive menu, you go on to the same archive items, and then here are the cards. So send it back to board. But you don't see the list here. That is because we are in the cards modes. So if we want to search for list, we can click on switch to list, and what happens is that the switching list is there. So you can simply click on send to board and the list gets back on the board just like this. So now let's do this. Let's archive the entire board. So let's see where's the option for that. The archiving option for the entire board is known as close board. So if you were to go to show option back over here, you'll be able to see close board on the more option right here. So in the more option, you can see close board is here. This is just another term for archiving board for Trello board. So if I were to click on close board, it asks me, you can reopen the board by clicking on the boards menu from the header by selecting view close board. So it's not entirely deleting it out. So once I click on close, you can see that the tutor tube board is closed. So I can permanently delete this board or reopen that out. So let us go to home and let's see how we can reopen out the board. So for that, we have to go to the board option, and then we can go to see close boards option right here, where we can see all the archive boards. So if I were to click on this, you can see that TutorTube board is there. So we can simply reopen this out just like this, and it is here. Now it is in my board section. I can click on it, view, and work on the boards again. So that is how you can work with the archiving options inside of Trello for Trello boards, lists, and Trello cards. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.